You wash the dishes?
Wait. You got the wrong hand, please. Hold this. Hold the towel. Wash it. Wash. Here, get it. Get the towel. Hold the bowl. Wash the dishes. Wash it.
You wash the dishes?
Take a picture of her and wash the dishes, Bianca.
Recording.
You wash the dishes? Wash the dishes. Wash it. Wash on the back of it too. Wash the back of it. Turn it over. Wash the back.
Hey, that's what this is.
Put it on your food. Here, you wash this. Here, wash this. No.
You can't eat the towel.
No.
Hungry self.
Look, wash the cup. Zion, wash the cup. No. Oh, Samaya's trying to give you the cup. She's trying to give it to you. All right. Put it over here, Samaya. Put it over here. Look. Put it over here, Mommy. Put it over here, Mommy. Samaya, put it over here. Put it over here. Look, here. Put it over here. No, you gotta wash this one. You gotta wash it first, Zion. Wash it out. She put it on the counter and wash it too. Whoa, big girl. Okay. She's putting it back in there so you can wash it.